Introducing the Broilmaster stainless gas grill line. Offered in 3 sizes, Broilmaster stainless gas grills can be configured for built-in or cart applications and are fully loaded with a variety of standard features. The easy-to-open grill lid is double-lined to retain the maximum amount of heat in the grill. The retractor rack can be moved out of the way or lowered to increase cooking area. Interior cooking lights allow for cooking to continue even in low-light conditions. The versatile Broilmaster multi-level cooking grids can be configured to allow for multiple cooking zones. Flare control vaporizers channel grease away from the flame, reducing the risk of flare-up. Heat zone dividers create separate cooking zones or can be easily removed for even temperatures across the grill. Bow tie burners allow for even heat across the entire cooking surface. The flamethrower ignition guarantees consistent lighting without relying on a power source. Blue LED lights illuminate the control knobs for easy flame adjustment. The Easy Slide drip tray has built-in rollers and catches for easy removal without the potential for spilling. 3 and 4 burner grill heads come standard with a rotisserie infrared burner. With a combination of classic and modern features, the Broilmaster stainless grill is truly the grill of a lifetime.